Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about an article that I recently read. So it's based on a real life incident encountered by Sudha Murthy. So as you all know, Sudha Murthy, she's a philanthropist, she's a social worker, she's known as the first woman to work in telco, now known as Tata Motors. Then to say about motivational speech, like phenomenal speeches. And this video is not focusing on Sudha Murthy, but a person whom she met in her life. It's about him. It's like Hanuman Dapa. So let's dive in. So to talk about this incident, she have inculcated this particular story, this real life incident in her work here, there, everywhere. So it's a selection of short stories where she have tried to integrate all the positive things that happen in her life, including meeting Hanuman Dapa. So Hanuman Dapa, she came to know about this boy through a newspaper article. While she was reading newspaper, one day she found this boy, the newspaper featured this boy's photo and his 10th grade mark. He had scored a very high mark, and in addition to that, his life. It's like he's from poor family. His father is a coolie who earns 45 rupees per day. It's like he's the only breadwinner. That is, his father is only the breadwinner of the family. Like they have 5 children, where the eldest one is Hanuman Dapa. And it was also given that he's about to end his education because of poverty. So as you all know, Sudha Murthy, she's well known for her altruistic nature. So she felt like, okay, I should surely help this boy. So she approached the boy and asked him to choose whatever course he wants, and wherever he wants he can choose, and she will offer him money. And while she expected that geographically he might choose somewhere else, like far away from his native, this boy approached to her saying that it's enough if she gives 300 rupees per month, and in addition to that, he said that he's not having that idea to go far away from his native. Rather, he's interested in learning somewhere near to his home. So to talk about the course, when Sudha Murthy ma'am, she just approached him like what sort of course he's going to take. He was like, I'm going to take a teacher training course at Bellary, somewhere very much near to his native Rampura. So things went on like that. Like monthly he received 300 rupees, and he stayed at a PG along with his friend, and he was doing his education and all of that. And it's only in one particular point, Sudha Murthy felt extremely proud for educating Hanuman Dapa. It's like one particular month, the college was shut down. So Hanuman Dapa personally felt, okay, this ma'am is sending money just for my education. For this month, this money is not going to be utilized. So it's better to give back to ma'am. And he posted the 300 rupees back to Sudha Murthy. And Sudha Murthy was she felt literally very proud, and it's the point where she felt very immensely happy for doing this sort of deeds. And to say about this particular story, she have integrated into the book, in her work here, there, everywhere, where she have mentioned that in her life, almost 80% of people that she had met is completely different, indifferent people who take advantage of her, cunning, taking things as granted and all of that. But there are few number of people like Hanuman Dapa that she had encountered, and she only wanted to talk about these people. And it was an eye-opening incident for me as well, and that's why I thought of talking about it. And the takeaway is that you need not be rich to be noble. And that's it, I have to say. And I don't know what happened next in Hanuman Dapa's life. Most probably he would have reached a greater position. And next video is going to be a book review. Stay tuned to my YouTube channel just by clicking over the subscribe button. Thank you.